If you're submitting cover letters without any response, then it's time to take a close look at your writing, especially your punctuation. Hi, this is Hannah from Tutor, and in this video, I'm going to show you how punctuation can make a big difference in writing your cover letter. Let's begin with this example sentence from a cover letter. Based on the job description, it's clear that you're looking for a candidate with excellent writing and communication skills. Can you spot what's missing in this sentence? Right, an apostrophe in the word "its" is missing. This is a very common mistake among job seekers. They usually confuse "its" without an apostrophe and "its" with an apostrophe. So let me give you a quick refresher on the usage of apostrophes so you can avoid them in the future. An apostrophe marks ownership, missing letters, or plurals of single letters like A's and I's. "Its" with no apostrophe is a possessive word like his and her. It suggests ownership, therefore, an apostrophe is no longer needed. On the other hand, "its" with an apostrophe is a contraction and should be used where a sentence would normally read "it is," like in this sentence. If you don't put that apostrophe in a contraction, your cover letter will look unprofessional and it may signal the employer that you are being careless with your work. Other common contractions that you have to watch out for include I'm, your, where, their, and so on. Let's look at another example. Most importantly, I have proven track record of success in similar roles. In my previous position, I increased sales by 20% in just 6 months. With this experience, I am confident that I could bring the same level of success to your company. What do you think is wrong with these sentences? Right, these sentences seem very hard to read because they lack commas. A comma denotes a pause in thought and it allows readers to breathe while they are reading. So without commas, it will be hard for the employer to follow what you're trying to say. Let's put the missing commas and see the difference. Most importantly, I have a proven track record of success in similar roles. In my previous position, I increased sales by 20% in just 6 months. With this experience, I am confident that I could bring the same level of success to your company. See, with commas, your cover letter will be clear and concise, making it easier for employers to read and understand. How about in this next example? Can you point out what's wrong with this sentence? In this sentence, a semicolon should be placed instead of a comma. A semicolon links two complete sentences that are closely related in meaning. Look, a customer's experience is my utmost priority. That's a complete sentence. I understand that every customer is different and has unique needs. That's another complete sentence. And notice, it is related to the previous clause. Therefore, a semicolon should be used after the first complete sentence to signal the reader that you're referring to the same thing that has already been mentioned. Now, there are more punctuation marks you need to look out for when writing. In this video here, we'll show you some of the most common punctuation mistakes people make in their writing. Knowing the most common punctuation errors can help you avoid them. So, click this video here and avoid these top 5 punctuation mistakes.